Hi everybody. So before jumping into today's math problem, let's take a few brief moments to center and relax ourselves. So sit up straight and gently close your eyes and set aside any internal dialogue that may be going on, and we'll focus on our breathing. So we're also going to try something with our hands. So take your left hand and put it on your abdomen or your belly, and take your right hand and put it on your heart or your sternum. And take a deep inhale through your nose. And take a deep exhale slowly through your nose as well. As you inhale through your nose, feel your abdomen filling and your heart rising. Relax your shoulders. Exhale slowly through your nose. Inhale slowly, sending the breath to any areas of your body you may be feeling some tension. And exhale slowly and feel that tension release. One last inhale, nice and slow. At the top, hold it for a few seconds. And exhale slowly through your nose as slow as you can. Feeling your body relax, your shoulders relax. And gently open your eyes. Here's a problem from the College Board. It's a multiple choice question from section 3 of the SAT test, which does not allow calculators. And the problem says, if 5x plus 6 equals 10, what's the value of 10x plus 3? And we're given 4 choices. So take a minute to give this a try and see what you can do. If you're not sure how to approach the problem, don't worry about it. You can just go ahead and take a guess, and then we'll have a look at it together. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So you're aware that this is an algebraic equation, and you could go ahead and solve for x and then plug that into the second expression and evaluate it and then see which answer is correct. I wanted to use this problem as an example of not having to do all of that work solving for x. And the way that we do that is by keeping our eye on what the target is. So sort of like keeping our eyes on the prize. They're telling us that they want to know what the value is of 10x plus 3. So let's keep that in mind as we're working with the first equation. So I'm just going to write the first equation out, which is 5x plus 6 equals 10. And let's first isolate the x term by subtracting 6 from both sides, and I have 5x equals 4. Instead of going ahead and solving for x, look at how we have 5x, and they want to know what 10x plus 3 is. So instead of solving for x, what can I do here to get that term on the left closer to what I'm going to need for 10x plus 3? Well, one thing I can do is I can go ahead and multiply both sides by 2, right? Then what am I going to have? 10x equals 8. Well, if 10x equals 8, let's just substitute that in. And so 10x plus 3 turns out to be 8 plus 3, right? I'm just substituting in 8 for 10x from what we found in that equation. So 8 plus 3 is 11, and what do you know? That's what I have there. So the answer is going to be C. That's what 10x plus 3 is. So I just wanted you to see that it might feel like you need to completely solve for x and then use that value for the next part of the problem, but these standardized test problems are set up so that if you can see certain connections, then you can actually get to the answer a little more quickly. I hope you enjoyed seeing that strategy and how it applies here. As we apply them to even more complicated problems, they'll save us a lot more effort and time. So if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions or requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they become available.